We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Brenda Dee. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a simple spaghetti with meat sauce, and here are our ingredients. Here in this large skillet, I have added my ground beef. I'm not making very much spaghetti with meat sauce on today. I'm using about 2 pounds of ground beef and a half a cup of vegetables. Here I'm adding some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt, some Italian seasoning, and some black pepper. Here I'm sauteing my meat and vegetables together. This is the way I do mine, but you do not have to put your seasonings in first, but I have always done mine like that. But make this recipe yours. You can add your seasonings after your meat has browned. After I finish browning my meat, I'm going to drain my meat and I'm going to be right back. Here I'm adding my Petite diced tomatoes, or you can use crushed tomatoes, and my spaghetti sauce. Use your favorite spaghetti sauce. Here I'm stirring up my sauce. I'm going to make sure we well combine this. When making this sauce, you can always adjust to the way you like yours. You can use Rotel tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, or whatever you want to use in your sauce. Now is the time to taste your sauce to make sure everything tastes like it's supposed to, because sometimes you can under season your food and you need to add, like here I'm adding a little salt. Next, we're going to let our sauce simmer for like 15 minutes, and then we're going to be back with the final result. Here I'm back. I'm showing y'all how this can be done. I have cooked my pasta, and I'm adding it to the sauce, but you do not have to do this. You can serve your sauce on top of the spaghetti. You can serve this spaghetti any way you prefer. Some like to place their spaghetti on a plate and then add their sauce, but it's all up to you. But this is the way my family prefers theirs, so I'm placing all my spaghetti in my pot with my sauce. Here, I'm slowly mixing in my sauce into my spaghetti. You don't have to mix it all the way, but it's up to you the way you like yours served. You can also add a little cream cheese in this, or a little Velveeta cheese. Just make this recipe yours. Okay, y'all, we're all done, and we're going to be back with our final result. Y'all, we are back. I'm going to stir this up just a little bit so we can plate up our spaghetti with meat sauce. Okay, y'all, let me share with y'all how this spaghetti with meat sauce turned out. You can't go wrong with spaghetti with meat sauce because kids love it. Well, most kids love it. If you want a cheesy spaghetti, add cheddar cheese or top with Parmesan cheese, and your family will really enjoy it. This spaghetti is best served with a salad and some garlic bread, but I prefer some oven-baked cornbread, y'all. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to share this little simple recipe with y'all. And I hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, like always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Be safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
That's a hit.